Hello and happy Friday, everyone. Welcome to the 42nd Tech Talk, where we talk about turning our code into your opportunity. So, this is our way of quickly showcasing what we offer in GitHub and what we offer in other code examples for you to utilize in your services, in your apps, in your other software designs that you have. So, today we're going to share this. So, I'm going to share it in the chat. We're going to share this nice resource. So this is a code example of how to basically, so you will have it in the chat. So this is the link to our GitHub. So this kind of helps you build a system that allows you to send a message, or your client can send a message to a certain number. We get that message, we forward it to your server, you process it in your server using the code that I will show, and then you respond back to the end customer. So let's get and start sharing the screen. So just get to it. So this is the link that I was talking about. So feel free, we have on our 46 Elks GitHub, we have a lot of really cool examples. Feel free to check it out. So this is the example that I was talking about. So we have the SMS orders here. So this is the code that allows you to, basically what I said, allows you to communicate and save the data that your customer has sent you through the SMS. So let's go to README, and we will have here receive SMS orders with PHP and MySQL. First of all, we need to create a database called SMS orders. You can call it SMS dash orders, you can call it shop, whatever. It's up to you. And import that database into your new database. And it's quite important to actually tweak the code a little bit. So you need to tweak the database credentials that we will see in the PHP file. And also you will need to allocate the number that you use to communicate to your customer. So your customer obviously sends a message, text message, to a certain number. So we talked about this before. When a customer sends a text message to that certain number, then we get it, we take that message and we forward it to your service. So in this service, you will see an allocation of a virtual phone. You can do it by using an API call, but you can also do it through the dashboard. So you go through the dashboard. I'll go through it right now just to show you. So if I go here to the dashboard and I click on 5 numbers that I have, I'll use it's called hours, but I click the edit, and this is the exact order. So this is the place where we will make the HTTP post request to that selected URL below, and we will send the data there. So this is cool to have and know. So yeah, let me just get back to the example. So we allocate the number, we configure the SMS URL that I mentioned before, and for example, the text cucumber, orange, whatever, when you send it, it will get your user, so the end client will get the response back. Let's see that code. So this is the PHP code that we were using. So this is the connect to database part. So we have the username, the password. So when you create a database, so you need to be aware a bit about the security. So we will leave that up to you. But in essential, you need to change the username here, the password here, and the database here. So it can be SMS order, it can be root, whatever. We advise you not to use root as the username and password. So typical checking of database connection, see if there's an error. And this is a process of adding order to the database. So we have a function here where we take the number, we take the content of the message and put it in the database. So this is the whole part. And then we reply there are some other log messages, etc. But essentially, the fun part is that we reply. If you send us a cucumber, if a customer has sent us a cucumber, then they get the response back. We'll send you a shiny green cucumber or mushroom or whatever. So you get that back and forth communication between the customer and you save that communication in a database. So that's pretty much it. Yeah. Be sure to check it out. Be sure to check out this link. I will also help you out if you need some help regarding setting up the database, setting up the server. We already have a lot of resources available on YouTube that we did on this channel, so feel free to check them out. That's pretty much it. I would like to say bye, and all of you have a very nice weekend. Bye.